Okay, that Norfolk Southern just stopped. They do a lot of switching over here because there's a yard back there. I forgot the name of the yard, man. Shame on me. But that yard is a national landmark. So they do a lot of switching over there. Alright? So this guy just stopped. So this guy's just stopped. See if he start up again, if he backs up. We're gonna go on the other side, man, of this guy. It's gonna be a hot video. We're ready to go on the other side. And I might even go upside, go up on the rail, man. Since he's sitting there. It's 4:40. I got 10 minutes. 10-minute videos. So we're gonna go up on the rail. This is the Lehigh Valley Bridge. I showed you guys the sign on there. I'm gonna be building a bridge at home for my railroad. And it's crazy because the way that I got my railroad at home is orientated similar to the this Lehigh Valley line going on over here. Check out the structure in there. You see the structure of the bridge? This is the other side of the bridge. Right? And we got to get this in the video. It's a railroad crossing. Right? 45-degree crossover. I got two on my railroad at home. Two 45-degree crossover. One on the top on the 027 track and one on the bottom on the fast track. These guys just sitting there lamping on top of there. You know, the freight train. It's not going anywhere. Right? We're getting ready to go up on the rail right now. See, there's a rail that comes across Friesenheisen Avenue. This is Friesenheisen Avenue. Right? See the sign over there? I don't know if you can see, it says Friesenheisen Avenue. Freight train comes across this rail right here, and it connects on to this rail over here. Right? Connects on to this rail over here. The Lehigh Valley. And this rail on the other side is the Graviton line starts up. We're getting ready to go over there right now. Now, as you can see, there's no electrical cables. Yeah, the electrical cables start over there. They start over there. But I filmed further down there. And when I film further down there, there's no electrical cables. The trains use diesel. So they they dual. They take electricity and they run on gas. Right? So that freight train is still lamped up there on the top of the rail there. It's not moved yet. And like I said, you can see those rails over there, that this rail comes across Friesenheisen Avenue, hits those rails. That look hot over there, how the rays are shining from the sun coming up over there. Okay, and that rail comes across here. We're getting ready to go up on, I made some footage. This rail goes in the back. They had, I forgot the name of the machine that was coupling that rolling stock, because this rail goes all the way in the back. Okay? So here, we're going up on the rail right now. It's 7:50, we got 2 minutes. This guy just parked. New Jersey Transit Railfanning line should be coming through here soon. So I've been filming for like almost 8 minutes. I haven't seen no New Jersey Transit come here. Like I said, this rail leads to a factory down there. in the back, and I was filming over there. I was filming at the Grand Intersection. That's where the Northeast Corridor and this Lehigh Valley line meet up at. And that's back behind there. I got a video on my YouTube and TikTok channel. Okay, so we're up on the rail now. It's one of my honeycomb Railfanning locations right here. It's a good location. See this rail right here? It's the switch track over there, because two rails go over that bridge, that Lehigh Valley Bridge. Then it breaks off into two rails right here, right? And it connects onto the Northeast Corridor. The Northeast Corridor is back there. Those two rails right over there, they go over the Valley Bridge. That's the Lehigh Valley Bridge, and that bridge down there is the Valley Bridge, right? I don't know if you can hear, but there's a train going across the Northeast Corridor in the back over there. Yeah, you catch it. See that? See that train there? It's the Northeast Corridor. I'll be back further down that way so I can catch the intersection of the Northeast Corridor and the Lehigh Valley line. But this guy's just sitting there. He's not moving. I was hoping he might catch the New Jersey Transit coming up here. But wow, those rails look nice. Shining like that.